あのデザインをする上で一番最初のその出発点といいますか。
私はやっぱりエモーションだと思うんですよね。やっぱ感情にかけることが大事だと思っていまして、一目見ただけで乗ってみたい、運転してみたいって思わせることが大事だと思います。
What is essential? Remove all else. Leave nothing but connection between driver and car. Absolute restraint defines Mazda design. Yasutake Tsuchida, Mazda Senior Director of Design, has invited Becky Owens, interior designer, to compare notes on emotion and intention.
There's a lot of texture, a lot of movement. I feel like the wood brings so much warmth, especially when you're layering different colors. I mean, the same colors, but then you bring in the wood. That's exactly what we do.
This is a brand new exterior color.
That is amazing.
Yeah, we call it artisan red.
I love the black tones in there.
Then we are really focusing how do we make a beautiful surface reflection. That's why we are not gonna using hard edge, because outside need to be more emotional. The interior need to be more comfortable and relaxed feeling.
The red you use, that's emotional. I feel like that can bring in joy.
赤というのは日本にとってもね、非常に大事な色じゃないですか。
はい、そうですね。赤は非常に大事な、我々にとって広島にとって大事な色でありますし、エモーショナルであるとか、パッションを伝えやすい色でもありますから。How do you make a comfortable space in your design?
I think we start by having kind of a simple palette. We build upon that with maybe some color and texture to create an inviting, comfortable space. What we try to do is take what they want and then elevate it. So it is an emotional experience when you can get it right. I love this stitch.
Stitch is also inspired by Japanese traditional way. Then that meaning is one connect to the other one. So how do we make the car and the driver work together?
A connection.
Yeah, connection.
Making something functional makes everything better. The car is a lived-in space. I spend so much time in my car running around my kids, and you want to make them excited to come back to that space.
で、インテリアにとってはやっぱりこう運転して先ほど浅名さんが言われたようにやっぱ運転して気持ちいいであるとか車と一体感が生まれる。我々マツダデザインよく言ってますのが引き算とかレスイズモアって言ってるんですけども大事だと思ってますし日本のやっぱ美意識につながるんじゃないかなと。
まさにそうですね。そしてまた自分たちの、演技ともまた通じるところを感じますね。準備していろいろこねくり回してあげく最終的にはシンプルに削いでいく引き算、やはりそれがやっぱり大事と言われていますので。
We believe that the soul is in the details. So we make sure that even the smallest details are carefully crafted so our customers can feel the energy infused by our creators into our cars.
Soon, we'll see what happens when design and performance align in perfect harmony around the driver.